Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm going to settings right now. First, I'm going to press the settings button, then go to the sound, then use the vibration intensity, and listen to the vibrate to make it feel better. That's the ringtone. Now it's hear a notification. That's cool. Now go to the vibrate on screen tab. That's kind of tough. To show the volume, I'll tap here. Then there's a hearing those music, video, games, and other media. And there's a ringtone notification and system. There's a system. The Android system must be powered on Sprint. Let's see if we hear the sounds. So this is touch sounds. Once you press it like that, you hit it with your finger. Cool. Then vibrate on screen tab, press it here. Listen to the tapping on vibrate. Listen. Whoa! Cool. Then I'm going to turn it off. And there's nothing, you can hear it. Hear the ketones? The screen lock sound? And that's it. Thanks for watching.